Hello. Earlier today, September 24th, 2020, DHS has announced the October 2020 visa bulletin, and subsequently later on that today itself, USCIS have put updated their website with the date of filing chart for EB2, EB3, and EB1 uh, for all the employment categories, and they would be honoring the final action date for employment categories. And that is a good news for people who are born in India because the priority date for EB3 is more favorable, as you can see in the USCIS chart that January 2015 is the cutoff date for employment EB3 India, and 15th May 2011 is the cutoff date for EB2 India. So naturally the question comes, if I am holding a priority date of 2013 in EB2 India, can I now use the EB3 priority date to file I485 coming October 1st, 2020? I have come across some frequently asked questions about this, and I have prepared a document. So the first question is, I upgraded now earlier from EB3 to EB2. Can I now downgrade to EB3? Because then I might be able to file the I485 coming October 1st. Yes, if you had approved EB3 I-140 earlier with, let's say, employer A, and then upgraded to EB2 with a new employer B. Now if the employer A still has the EB3 position and has not withdrawn the approval of I-140, then you can file your I-485 with supplemental J signed by EB3 employer A, provided that EB3 employer is ready to hire you back once you get your green card. And then you, in that case, you do not have to file a new I-140 to convert to EB3. The next question is, can I downgrade from EB2 to EB3 and then upgrade to EB2 later in case if the EB2 priority date becomes more favorable? Your EB2 India priority date, let's say, is 17 January 2013, and assuming EB3 moves at a faster rate than EB2 India, you can downgrade from EB2 to EB3 and file I-485 along with your I-140. Now, let's say in future EB2 India moves faster than EB3 India, and you have approved I-140 EAD from EB3, that would be a good thing to have. Yes, you can go back and use the previously approved I-140 from EB2 to file I-485 to get the green card faster if both EB2 I-140 and EB3 I-140 still remains valid for you. Murthy.com, the popular website, has more explanation, and I'll share the link down in the description of this video. File EB2 to EB3 downgrade for future priority dates. Yes, it is possible that some of you want to downgrade your EB2 to EB3 even though your priority date is still not current in the EB3 filing date chart. Downgrading in advance to be ready to file I-485 as you expect EB3 to be current for you in the next couple of months is a daring step. It is not really required, as you can file both EB3 I-140 downgrade and I-485 adjustment of status concurrently. You are not out of game if EB3 becomes current for you, so do not worry. I would not suggest this option. Can I file the EB2 to EB3 downgrade if I am right now in India? I am visiting India. You can file EB2 to EB3 downgrade while you are in India. Many people are currently stuck outside the US due to the travel ban and the COVID situation. If their priority date has become current in the US, then they can file immigrant visa applications at US Embassy.